Diolch Dir Prylywydd. Well, last week, Dementia Engagement and Empowerment Project, or DEEP as some of you may already know it, did something with a supermarket in Swansea which I thought you would like to know about, to see if anything similar is happening in your constituencies and regions. On Wednesday, Tesco laid down the gauntlet to other businesses and opened its doors for the first time to its self-styled slow shopping day in Swansea Marina store. And it was just the first. Every Wednesday from now on, between 1 o'clock and 3 o'clock, Tesco is committed to have dementia-trained staff on hand throughout the store and that recognise the signs of dementia and to help shoppers. More chairs are available, and a dementia-friendly till will be open to assist shoppers and provide help with tasks like sorting small change. All very discreet and dignified, but providing service without discrimination. I recently hosted a Dementia Friends training session with Alzheimer's Society Wales in Killay in Swansea, and even though we all learned from it, you could really see the light bulbs go on above the heads of the business people there. DEEP has already advised Welsh Government on its dementia strategy, and I hope that their partnership with this particular supermarket will be seen as an invitation to all businesses in Wales to seize the initiative and to really help Wales become a dementia-friendly country. Thank you.
Thank you very much.